Hi, today I want to share with you 10, no, 12 dozen of very useful and helpful information if you are the car user or car owner. Let's go!
Believe it or not all flat tires need to be replaced. As long as the puncture is not on the sidewall, the tire should be able to be repaired. Before blindly agreeing to an expensive new tire, ask your service advisor to show you the damage to your tire and have them fully explain why a new tire is being recommended instead of a repair. "20 minutes on fuel cap." What does this mean? From when you push the fuel door button, you only have 20 minutes to fill up, as there's an internal mechanism that completely seals off the filler tube to prevent gas fumes from escaping. Very important. A loose gas cap will not only let fuel vapors escape, but it can also let in dirt and grime. These fuel vapors may cause an error in the emissions system, which could cause the check engine light to turn on. Many manufacturers recommend tightening the fuel cap until it clicks.